Hey, Karlova Design here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add some patina on leather and give it a natural gloss that usually appears with time and use. I thought everybody does that, but after publishing my recent videos, some people told me that they didn't know toconol can be used on the grain side of leather. Here I have some scraps of different types of leather, and I will show you how they can be transformed by just spreading some toconol on their surface and polishing them with a piece of canvas. This works basically on any leather that doesn't have any painted finish on its surface. This is a natural untreated veg, and it's a different story how I like to treat this kind of leather, which I will cover in another video. This is a piece of boring blue chrome tanned crazy horse, and I made my 82 backpack out of this stuff. It did look different before. You will notice that this finish also brightens the color of leather. This is a very nice veg crazy horse, which I can't find anywhere anymore. It's from Italy and it's very nice to work with. You can see this leather on the flap of my Cognac VS. This is a combination tan pull-up, which doesn't look as cool right out of the package as it does on my gas sling, which I made of it. This is some inexpensive chrome tan belt leather from Acadia that shows probably the most dramatic change after the procedure. I made some valet trays out of it, and you probably would never be able to tell what leather was that. This is a new addition to my leather library. I haven't made anything out of it yet. It's a rather heavy veg crazy horse, and after polishing it becomes really beautiful, showing all its color and texture. This is one of my favorite strap leathers, which I don't have access to anymore. A combination tan with matte finish. I made lots of straps out of it, and back parts of gas sling, sack, and tequila are also made with this leather. A brown combination tan crazy horse, which I used for the pockets of Tiffany's backpack. I also have scrap of this leather as a mouse pad, and it's developing a really cool patina right now on my table. Here's a scrap piece of soft milled Italian vegetan that I used for chugureti. And this particular piece is a test piece for the hot stamp. As always, the logo came out much better on the test than on the bag itself. Here my camera didn't want to collaborate, but you can click on the suggested video and see the whole process in the chugureti tutorial. This leather hasn't been used for anything yet, and I don't know what to make out of it. It's a soft chrome tan stuff that also looks much better after polishing.